How to create a new folder in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. The process of creating a folder is very simple in your Windows, whether it is your Windows 10 or Windows 11. The process is somewhat similar, or it is basically the same. The first step you can do is simply right click on your home bar, then you will get an option of new. Tap on it. Now select folder, and here you go. Your new folder is now created. Open this folder and then you can tap on this plus icon, tap on new, and then add files to it as well. You can move other files to it, and also you can rename this folder. Tap on this three-dot, and then you will get an option of renaming the folder. You can also do it by right clicking over here, tap on rename, and then rename your folder just like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.